Hi guys, if you ever want to create an account on SproutGig and if your sign up button is not working, then in this video, I have a solution for you. So follow my steps and I'm sure I'll be able to sort your problem out. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open Google Chrome. And if you have typed your name, your email, your password and your nickname and everything, and if this sign up button is not working, if you have even checked out these boxes, but still the sign up button does not work, so what you need to do is the first and the most easiest thing that you can do is you can change your browser. For example, if I'm using Google Chrome and if you are using Google Chrome and if you have an alternative browser like I have Safari here, then your problem will be sorted out. Now, if the problem persists on the other browser as well, so what you need to do is you have to come here, these three dots, and you have to open settings. And once when you're here, you have to open privacy and security and then site settings. Once when you're here, what you need to do is you have to go down to see all site data and permissions and click here. Here you have to type name, SproutGig, and then you have to delete it. Delete all the cookies and, anything that is causing a problem with your sign-in. And once when you do it, I'm sure your sign-in problem will be sorted out and you can just sign up just like this. So I hope this video was helpful. Please do like and subscribe the channel for future videos like this. Thank you so much.